Hi everyone, this is Noman. Today I am going to show you how you can download, review and analyze search query performance data by using my Google Sheet. And before going ahead, I would like to introduce myself. This is Noman based in Pakistan. By academic qualification, I belong to mechanical field and I had been working in corporate sector for many years. In 2018, and I was struggling to find a side hustle or side income. I started Excel freelancing, then I moved to Amazon. I started learning Amazon in 2019. I participated in some product launches. Then I started learning product sourcing, logistics management, customer service, and many other services. I used to cover many services and have gone through many product launches. And in 2020, when Amazon started cracking down our conventional product launching method, at that moment I had to learn PPC because there was no way out. And at that moment, I started learning PPC and got grip as fast as possible because I was really good in analytical skill. I had an amazing grip on Microsoft Excel, so this helped me a lot, uh, processing data and managing things as fast as possible. I got better grip. So since then, I have been specifically providing PPC services and working as a PPC manager. I just left my job. I am full-time freelancer. I have been working with many big brands as a PPC manager. Have been doing PPC services. So now, today I am going to share how you can download search query performance data, how you can analyze this data, and how you can prepare this sheet. Firstly, I want to introduce my sheet. Firstly, let me introduce my search query performance analyzer with you. Here you got a product selector where you can select any product. You can select even child lesson and you can select even parent lesson. So you can review data at both level, child lesson level and parent lesson level. Like if you are selling water bottle in green, blue and red color, so you can specifically review green bottle data, blue bottle data, red bottle data, or you can select parent lesson. So if you select parent lesson, you would be reviewing cumulative data of all three bottles right there. And there you got a search bar where you can search a specific search term. Like currently we have search bottle there, so all the results are having bottle there, right? And there you got another filter, total market order. If you wanna review only high potential search terms, then you can write there 200, 1000, 2000, whatever number you like. So you will only review the search terms that are having that are having X number of order what you have right there. Here you got another filter, hour as in order. It means if you write 5 there, so you will be only reviewing all the search term on what you have got at least 5 order in one of these three date ranges. One of these three date ranges. Like in this case, you can see we got one order in this date range, we got 5 there, we got 7 there. This is why it is showing. For the second search term, you can see we got only 0 order there, 0 order there, but there we got 7. This is why it is showing. Here you got 3 date ranges where you can select any specific date and you can review comparative data of these 3 date ranges, right? You can review weekly data, you can review monthly data, and you can review even quarterly data, however you like. I'm going to explain how you can prepare this sheet. So here you can see, and I have highlighted few important metrics to me, like total market orders, just to identify what kind of potential these search terms have. To our ASIN clicks, how many clicks our ASIN has got, so you can realize do we have visibility over this keyword or not. Our ASIN order, how much order we got, market conversion rate. So I'm calculating market conversion rate based on total market orders versus dividing by total market clicks and our conversion rate. How many orders we got and how many clicks we got. So I am calculating the conversion rate and who is the winner actually. There you can see our conversion rate is higher, so our brand wins. Their market wins. Somewhere we don't have data, so you can see. So there you can find a potential search term. There we find we were converting well, so we increase our visibility. We got 36 click in the next day. We got 5 orders. Our conversion rate was lower at that moment, but we started pushing it again, and now we got 7 orders. So this is how you can improve. So now I'm going to explain how you can prepare this sheet to utilize it for yourself and review your child and parent level data to find such kind of opportunities. This is the demo data, so you would find different kind of things there. Ignore it for a while. And there is an important thing, do not write anything in the caps lock there. You should write everything. Like if I write a sticker, you have to write everything in the small letter, right? don't make mistake to write anything in a capital letter. It actually cannot recognize the things, so please take care of it. And there are another, if I write Noman there, you would find I just created some systems there, right? Okay, so this is a perfect example. Let's assume you got an amazing conversion rate on a system which is high potential one, but you were getting 40 clicks. So obviously you should start pushing it further. So I push it further. This is a demonstration. So I push it further. So we got 60 clicks and 20 orders there. Conversion rate is still higher as compared to the market. So I push that keyword further. Now we got 100 clicks and 30 orders. So this is how you can make improvement, right? Additionally, if you don't want to use any kind of filter, okay, let me remove this one. If you don't want to use this filter, then select this one and simply press the delete button. But if you don't want to use this filter, you cannot remove it. If you remove it, all data will go away. You need to write 0 there. To deactivate this filter, you have to write 0, and to activate this one, you need to write anything what you want. Like if you want to review all these systems that are having high potential for your product, so you need to write 200 there. So you will only see all these systems that are having really high potential, right? You can see these systems, this system, this system, this system, these are having really high potential. If you want to go more aggressive, you want to see the highest or really high potential system, so you can write 1000, 2000, 5000. It depends on your product and your niche. So this is how you can filter data. And again, if you want to disable this filter, then you need to write 0 there, okay? And if you want to see all the systems that are bringing sales for you, then you should write 1, 2 and anything there. So you will only see all the systems that are contributing sales for you. You can see there we got 1 click, 1 order there, but we got 0, 0 there. So this filter works at all 3 date ranges. If any of these 3 date range data is meeting the criteria, it will show up there. So this system, you can see it is having 0 data there, 0 data there, but during this date range it has 1 order. So this is why this system is being appeared there, right? Also, you can search Paranasin level data. Whenever you click on Paranasin level, technically when you click on Paranasin, it calculate or it sum all the data. Like it is showing you cumulative data of green one, blue one and the red one. So the data you are seeing here, maybe if you let us assume if you find 7 there, so maybe 2 order might be contributed by green variant, 5 order might be contributed by red variant, maybe blue one is 0, right? So you are reviewing cumulative data of all the parent ASIN, all the ASIN that are under the same parent, right? So now I'm going to share how you can prepare this same sheet for you, where you would be able to review different systems and different level data like parent ASIN level, child ASIN level, and you can use this kind of filter to prepare or review data however you like and compare it with the date ranges or desired date ranges that you want. Okay, so I have already shared this sheet link on my LinkedIn page and Facebook page, so you can grab your copy there. You would get a sheet like this. You need to click on file and make a copy, because that is a viewable version only. I'm going to explain how you can prepare this one. There is a help column there. You would find all the SOPs there in order to prepare this sheet, but I'm going to explain it further there. Okay, so you need to write down your parent ASIN name there. Like if you are selling water bottle and having multiple variant, you need to write a parent ASIN name there, right? And then you need to write parent ASIN, you need to write parent ASIN number there. Maybe that would be start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something. Okay, let us assume this is your parent ASIN, and you have to write the same ASIN as child ASIN and parent ASIN. When it is a case of parent ASIN, you have to copy paste the same thing, right? Let us assume now we are going to enter the data of green bottle, so we would be writing green there, and again we would be writing blue. Okay, let us assume blue has this ASIN number and green and blue has this ASIN number, so you have to copy paste the parent ASIN number in front of them, right? This is child and this is parent, and in case of parent you have to copy the parent ASIN in the child ASIN name. Okay, now you have to paste product image link. This is pretty easy. You just need to visit your product on Amazon, click on the product image, right click on product image, copy image address. You have to paste this image address in this column, right? So as you click on analyzer, as you click select any of your product, your image will start appearing there. Just wait for a second. Okay, so here you got the images. Now we need to download the data. This is pretty easy. Obviously you would have a list of child ASIN. Obviously we don't need to download parent ASIN level data. Please remind that whenever you select parent ASIN, it actually sum the data of all the child ASIN that are associated with that parent ASIN, and it show you a cumulative data there. Technically we cannot download this data at parent ASIN level, right? So you need to download these two ASIN data. So let us assume this is our ASIN. We will go to the Amazon account. You need to visit brand. You need to click brand analytic. As you click on there, you would find search analytic, and there you would find search query performance. You need to click on it. Again, you have multiple options. You can maintain this data at brand view level and at ASIN view level. So if you do have products that do not have common keywords, I mean if you have multiple products but they do not have any common keywords, so you can prepare this data at brand view, but it is pretty hard to identify. So I recommend you to maintain it at ASIN view. So search your child ASIN, select your date range. You can maintain weekly, monthly, quarterly, however you like. Select the week, click apply, generate the download, and download this data. As you download this search query performance data, and you need to visit the database. There you would find 4 columns are yellow one. This yellow shows that these are formulated one. You don't need to touch that. Okay, you need to visit this G column, and there you find the empty raw. Select this one, click on this file, import, and then click on upload, and select the specific file that you downloaded from search query performance data. This is a sample. So now you need to select replace data at all selected cell. At selected cell, I need to click import data. As you click on import data, actually this is a demo file. So whenever you download exact ASIN letter, you would find ASIN number and date range there. So you need to write date range like 12 December to something 17 December. Okay, let us assume this is our date, and let us assume this is our ASIN data. Okay, so you have to paste this one, and again do not forget you have to copy paste the same thing and have to cover all the data that you have pasted again. Okay, you need to download the other date range data of the same ASIN, and again you have to download the same thing, I mean different kind of data, different date ranges data of the other ASIN. So this is how you would be preparing. You just need to copy paste the data, and there you need to write the exact ASIN. That should be child one only. Do not need to write parent ASIN data, parent ASIN name, and you need to write exactly date range. So we have downloaded and pasted one date range data of one ASIN. Now you need to revise the same practice. You have to download these other date range data of the same ASIN and paste it there again and again, do the same task. Remind one thing, do not write parent ASIN number there, and again one thing is always write date range in a similar format. Like if you have written 12 December to 17 December in this format, then never write 12 December and 17 December in this format. Do not do spacing mistake, do not do formatting mistake. If you do this, you will find an error in the analysis like this one. You will find two date ranges, I mean two data there, while technically it is same. So always try to copy paste and take help of this one. And when you are going to prepare monthly data, then you can write January 2023 something, right? You can write January, and you can write ASIN 1 data, ASIN 2 data, ASIN 3 data, however you like, right? Similarly, you can prepare quarter 1 data, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 for all the ASIN. Once you prepare all this data, this sheet will start working. You just need to select a specific date range, a specific ASIN, then it will start working. As you can see, it is start working. As you download multiple date range data, it will start appearing there. You have to select a specific date range and you are good to go. Hopefully this analyzer will help you analyzing this search query performance data, and you will get fruitful result. Let me know in the feedback if this sheet is really helpful for you. I would be sharing same tips and tricks with you. Keep following me. Thank you so much.